Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on this sign and you will enter to maps or Google Maps. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.